Hi, grade 3, Saudi syllabus. We can. Today I will start unit 2 in your book. We can. But before I will go to our unit today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Here we will start unit 2 in your book. We can, grade 3. Here is, we talk about sea animals. I think that most of us know sea animals. Here we have kind of animals called sea horse. This is the slowest animal in the sea. Here's ours fat. This is the kind of animals that live in the sea. Sharks, I think all of us know sharks are scary. A whale is big. We have seals, cute. Dolphins, fast. Here we have a talk about what if that it's a space. We say here we can say it's a shark or it's a seahorse. What about do you think about this one? So here when we talk about the sharks, I talk about that sharks are scary. Or when we talk about the dolphins, I say those are dolphins. They are the fastest. So here I describe the animal by any of these adjectives. Let's go to another item here. Here we say, can we use the pictures from exercise 1 to say 3 sentences about the sea animals? Like this, we say, I think a seahorse is a cute. Seahorse, we have seahorse. Seahorse is this one. This is called seahorse, is cute. I think sharks are scary. This is sharks are scary. We have here, I don't think that wolves are fast. I don't think that wolves are fast. Wolves are what? Wolves are big. Let's go to another item here. Here we say, I can answer the question about sea animals. I think about 2 sea animals. Okay, this is what I learned from this here. From this. In this unit, we have a grammar structure which is called the comparative and superlative form. This is called comparative, and this is called superlative form. Comparative and superlative form, but with 1 syllable. We have another comparative and superlative form with more than 1 syllable. But today we will start with 1 syllable, like this one. When we talk about comparative means I compare two things with each other by adding er and put than after the adjective. When we talk about the superlative, I put the, then I put est like this. Cuter, the cutest. Scarier than, the scariest. Faster than, the fastest. Bigger than, the biggest. So here this is called superlative and this is called comparative. I think now we know how to do this form of comparative form. Let's go to another item here in this unit, which is I think. Here we say, I think a dolphin is cute. A seahorse is cuter than a dolphin. Baby seal is the cutest. I think, here is we use I think means I think that it's not right or wrong, okay? I think wolves are fast. Sharks are faster than wolves. Dolphins are the fastest. Here is the challenge time. Can you listen to 3 hints and guess which sea animal is it? Here we have starfish, kind of fish, crab, jellyfish. I think some of us know jellyfish, octopus, squid, shark, all these kind of animals. Okay, say 2 things I think about the sea animals. You can say the shark is the, I can say here shark, as we know here, the shark is what is, shark are faster than wolves, or can say sharks are scary. We can say, can here say sharks are scary. If we want to describe the shark, I describe shark by scary. Okay, let's go to another item here. Here is rhythms and reading. Just like something, as scary as an e, as scary as an e, as fate as worse, as kind of sea animals. Big as wall, fast as dolphin, scary as shark, cute as baby seal, slow as seahorse, noisy as seagull. Okay, let's go to another item here. Here we say, can you read fast and match sentence to other animals? It's white and snow. and as strong as lion. Snow, right, and snow. Which one? This one. This is called the polar bear. This is called this one. So I select this one. Scary as tiger. Scary as tiger. As quiet as fish. As quiet as fish. Which one? As tiger. It to be here the crocodile. It's beautiful as fast as wind. Beautiful as fast as wind. This one, the horse. It's very cute and as slow as snail. Which one? The turtle. It's smaller than cat and gray as the elephant. Mouse. Okay. Let's go to another item here. Here we know. Here we have the what we learned here. We learn something shaped with partner. Read and mix animals by our side. Here is phonics. Let's read it together. Here's we have goat, snow. Here is boat. Here is boat. All right here, boat. Coat is coat. Here is yellow. Yellow. Here is W here. Snow and yellow. Here is window. Here is window. So here we have window, yellow. Here is coat, boat, coat. Here is goat, boat, and coat. Here is we have snow, yellow, and window. Let's go to another item here. This is called phonics. This is called what? This is called phonics. Let's go to another item here. Here we say, here is house. Here is house. House brown. Here is cow. Here is mouse. Listen and say match. A house. Here is cow. Here is cow. Here is mouse. Here is O here. Listen, say and match. House brown. Here is cow and mouse. Here we have W-O, here is the pronunciation. Listen and say, then read the number. Here is okay. Now, here is cow, show. Here is cow, here is clown, snow, show. Clown, snow, show. Cow, now, window, how. Cow, now, window, and how. The patient fisherman catches the fish. So we learn business from what? From catching fish. We learn business from catching the fish. Let's do this exercise together. This is Jack's house. This is the cheese that is Jack's that injects what? In Jack's house. In Jack's house. Or as you say that this is the space that eats the cheese. This is the mouse. So here we say, here we know the rhythm, house and mouse. Okay, here we say this is the space that chases the mouse. Chases the mouse. All of us know Tom and Jerry. It will be here the cat that chases the mouse. This is the space that stirs Kate. Snake. It will be here snake. That eats cheese and it's Jack's house. This is the space with pointed horns. It will be what? It will be your cow. Let's continue the rest of the unit. Here is, I can read and write words like A-O, O-W. They like what? Goat, snow, house, and cow. I think now we learned the rhythm or the phonics of these words. Let's go to another. Let's go to another item here. Let's go to the brief of this unit to be to the brief of this unit for what we learned today. Here we have unit 2. In this unit, we learn sea animals. Here is we say we have general question. What is that? This is what? This is an octopus. This is an octopus. Here I write here octopus. I write octopus here. I think this is octopus. Called octopus. What is that? That is an octopus. It's called an octopus. What do you think about dolphins? Dolphins are fast. Are fast. Are fast. Okay, we say here are fast. Here we say cute, cuter, the cutest. Scary, scarier, the scariest. Fast, faster than the fastest. So here is we put here than. We put here then when we compare between two things, when we compare between more than one thing, we put the like this. Okay, here is the gorilla face, then the bear but the gorilla is bigger. Okay, I answer some of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Now we know the comparative and superlative, and we know how to use comparative and superlative form in the sentence. Okay, the rocket is the fastest, so I put here the est to the adjective here. Okay, here is called fastest. Okay, let's go to another item here. I answer two of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Okay. Here we say, Ali is space than Ahmed. Ali is taller. Why taller? Because here we have than. So I put here taller. The elephant is the biggest. Baby seals are space as cute, and to be here as means equal in what? Equal in adjective. Okay. As cute is, as beautiful is. So here as means the adjective or the properties of this animal, of this thing is equal in both. Okay, here is the rearrange. We have here subject, as we know, subject plus verb plus object. Let's do it together. Here it will be sharks are scary. It will be here sharks are scary. I will hear sharks is subject. Where is the verb are? The verb here, it will be here are verb, and scary here is the object. Okay. Here is scary. Okay, here is scary. Or you can say object or the complement of the sentence. Here is sharks are scary. Let's go to another item here. Here we say it has 8 arms. It has 8 arms. It's an octopus. It looks like a star. Starfish. It's fate. What's the fate here? Fate here, it's worse. It's ours. Okay, let's go to another one here. It's a space. Choose and correct. Is this the cow or seahorse? Not seahorse. What is this? Turtle or clever pupils. What is this? Wall. Here's what. Here is jellyfish. This is called jellyfish. Here is what. Let's do it together. Here is goat. Here is snow. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Okay. Now I answer 2 of them, and I will leave the rest to make your mind and do it by yourself. Here we say verb to be. I take am. You are. He, she, it, take, is. This is called the verb to be in the verb to be in the present form. We have you, we, they, are. Take, are. Take you, we, they, take, are. He, she, it, take, is. I take am. Let's do this exercise together. We have we are. I answer 2 of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here is it will be it is a cat. She is. Why she is? Because this is singular and this is singular and this is plural. So this is plural. So the plural pronoun take what? Take are. Okay. Let's go to another item here. There is handwriting. The baby seal is cute. Okay. This is the dictation. By this question, we end from our video today. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.